Hello everybody. I wanted to do a real short video going back here to Mount Takahe. And I want to bring everybody's attention to this on the very top. And I want everybody to understand, I did not find this. This was found by somebody else, and in fact it was shown on third phase of moon probably about 7 years ago, 6 or 7 years ago. But they didn't look at it from the right perspective. And what I want to show, and I've done this on past videos, is that the proper way of looking at this specific item here is like that. And you can clearly see that there is a round opening. It looks like the opening of a pipe right here, which is approximately, let me redo that. About 20 feet across. And if you look at this part here, it looks like a wind barrier or a weather barrier, or it could even be a cover that opens and closes over that opening. I suspect it's some kind of vent, but it also might be an opening to an under ice structure, as evidenced by these other two items that you can't make out because they are completely covered by snow. But there is an interesting thing about this also. When you measure from the vent down to each one of these points, you're getting about the same measurement. It's about 1,230 feet, and over to this one is about the same. So that's very suspicious to me. That tells me that this is not a natural formation of it. It's just, it looks completely intentional, especially this vent. I'm calling it a vent because that's what I think it is. Because I am convinced that there is a massive structure embedded inside this dormant volcano. And over here, I did find this a long time ago, and I have posts on it. You can clearly see they've smudged out a lot of this, but you've got a square structure there on the bottom section, and just above it you've got what looks like a tower sticking straight up, and then from this section you've got more black smoke emitting from that structure right there. And if you go over to this area, you've got a lot of interesting things that have been hidden, smudged out, but there is an entire group of structures in this whole area. Look at these two items here. They look like openings, maybe vents, and look at those tracks in the ice, crisscrossing over each other, going back and forth between these structures that are shaped pretty much the same way as the others. And then you've got this interesting item right here. I think it is another tower, but it too has been smudged out. Mount Takahe. It's a very interesting place. Hope you guys enjoyed it.